Nature is the greatest healer. Before modern medicine, India trusted Ayurveda pure, natural, and powerful. In a small Indian village, a woman lives a simple life, believing in nature and Ayurveda. Neem is one of the most sacred trees. Every part is medicine: leaves, flowers, fruits, bark, and roots. Together, they form Neem Panchang. This powerful remedy is made by collecting fresh leaves, flowers, fruits, bark, and roots. After washing them with clean water, they are dried slowly in the shade to protect their natural healing power. Then, equal parts are ground into a fine powder called Neem Panchang churna. To use it, take 1 teaspoon of the powder, add 2 cups of water, and boil until 1 cup remains. This Ayurvedic decoction helps purify the blood, heal skin problems, support diabetes care, and boost immunity. Remember, Neem Panchang is powerful, so use it in small amounts and consult an Ayurvedic doctor if needed. It's not just a treatment, it's harmony with nature. Thanks for watching.